Hi, my name is Karen. I haven't played the show in a really long time, so I was a bit nervous. I apologize about the cigarette. I like small committees. Too many people can't feel that energy, so I hope you enjoy what I'm going to offer to you tonight. In the evening, oh darling, when the sun goes down, in the evening, darling, when the sun goes down, it's so lonesome when the one you truly love is not around. Last night I was laying sleeping, darling, all by myself. Last night I was sleeping, darling, all by myself. And the one I really, really love, he was laying somewhere else. Sunrises in the east, sets down over in the west. Sunrises in the east, darling, sets down over in the west. It's so hard to tell who's gonna love you the best. Goodbye, all my sweethearts and pals. I'm going away. I may come back to see you, darling, some old rainy day. In the evening, darling, when the sun goes raised in Oklahoma, and it was very pretty traditional Catholic family. And I got married very, very young. I was 17, had a child, and back then I must say I was a pretty girl. I liked to make myself pretty for my husband, but it all seemed like a big joke. This wasn't me. I dropped it all off and I ran away. I ran away to New York City, trying my luck the way that I am. If I had a ribbon bow to hide my hair, if I had a fancy sash, my own true love would find me fair. My red shoes would go dancing where my fancy chose. I'd lark about the sidewalk and wear them foreign clothes. If I were like city girls and fair with smiles, not a man in all these parts would know my heart. My red shoes would go dancing where my fancy chose. My love would have wished he had taken me while he could. If I were like city girls, if I had a ribbon bow to hide my hair, if I had a fancy sash, my own true love would find me fair. When you're in the city, it's really difficult not to lose yourself and try as much as you can. But what I really enjoyed at the party and the love and the poverty. Yesterday, any way you made it was just fine. So you turn your days into nighttime. Didn't you know you can't make it without ever even trying? Something's on your mind. Let these times show you that you're breaking out the lines, leaving all your dreams too far behind. Didn't you see? You can't make it without wanna feel another way, you can't stop crying. You haven't got a thing to say, you feel like you want to run away, there's no use in trying anyway. I've seen the writing on the wall. Who cannot maintain will always fall. Well, you know, you can't make it without ever even trying. Tell the truth, isn't it? Tell the truth, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, fall is a theme for me. I fell in love and fell in love again. My man went away. Said I'd miss him every night and day. Then I began to look around. Wish I could show you what I found. Sweet substitute, sweet substitute. He tells me that he is mine, all mine. Every time I tell him, you know love is blind. He's got such funny ways. Got my head in a daze. My new recruit is mighty sweet and cute. I'm crazy about my substitute. He's got such loving ways. Got my head in a daze for days, for days, for days. My new recruit is mighty sweet and cute. I'm crazy about my substitute. punched me in the face and I lost 2 front teeth. I think it makes the sound even more interesting. I love you, baby. I ain't gonna lie. Without you, darling, I can't be satisfied. If things are going wrong for you, you know it hurts me too. Put your hands on mine. I've got something to tell you, darling. I want to change your mind. If things are going wrong for you, you know it hurts me too. Hurts me. I love you, baby. I ain't gonna lie. Without you, darling, I can't be satisfied. If things are going wrong for you, you know it hurts me too. It hurts me too. At some point, life in the city was unbearable, and I needed to go back to more green fields. And went to Colorado. But it was so boring. So boring. I wanted to record my album. I wanted to make a music career. I went back to New York City and recorded with many important people. And I got out there. I was out there. I opened for Santana and went on tour with them. But the pressure, the people, they were not there for me. I quit everything and came back to New York. And I found new pleasures. Pleasure of the needle. Down the wall, across the floor, and over my bed. Blue light thinking off and on. I'm so lonely now you're gone. I'll never get out of these blues. I'll never get out of these blues alive. They keep on coming at my weary head. Even cocaine couldn't ease the pain. I'd be better off dead. Blue lights gone out so I can sleep. Beat of the blues, better there keep. I'll never get out of these blues. I'll never get out of these blues alive. I'll never get out of these blues. Never get out of these blues alive, alive. I'll never get out of these blues on my ceiling, over my head, running down the wall, across the floor, and over my bed, my bed. Blue light across the streets, blinking, 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 blinking on and on. I'm so lonely now you're gone. I'll never get out of these blues. I'll never get out of these blues. I'll never get out of these blues. I'll never get out. This blues alive, 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 and I never did. I died alone in my house, watching TV. And I never knew that one day somebody else would take my name and sing in an ugly basement. Yes, life has surprises. if I should leave you, try to remember all the good times, long days filled with sunshine, and just a little bit of rain. If you should look back, try to forget all the bad times, long days filled with sunshine, and a little bit of rain. If I should leave you, try to remember all the good times, long days filled